First quarter, CPU versus IDC. CPU red and gold, gold and blue, and doctors in white and blue. Perez to Jaime. No good. Rebound by Tono. Tono jumper. Basket is good by Frank Tono. 2-0. The knee high. No good. Rebound by Tono. Barangco, 2 points by Kevin Barangco. 2-all. Nahine. For 3, no good. Rebound by Soliano, tap to Barangco. Barangco blocked by Malan. Barangco, 3, no good. Recovered. Nasa kay Denihay. Wala. Rebound by Perez. Malan, there's a foul. Basket count. 2 for 2 by Malan. Vanessa to Kevin Barangco. Denihay jumper, no good. Soliano for 2, 4-all. Perez. Pass to Nahine. Nahine to Perez. No good. Rebound by Vanessa. To Kevin Barangco. Kevin. Jumper by Kevin Barangco. Layup. 4-6. Tono. Lock. Pass break to Barangco. Easy 2 by Barangco. 8-4. 4-point lead by the Golden Lions. Jaime, no good. Barangco for the rebound. Barangco, basket again by Kevin. Back-to-back basket. 10-4. An early lead for CPU 6-0 run for CPU. 8-0 run na gali. Malan to Perez. Back to Tono. No good. Denihay to JJ. Loose ball. Turnover. Servano in. Tono out. Wala. Nakuha ni Puerto. Julian Maverick. Puerto to Waneza. Soliano. Basket by Jesse Soliano. 12-4. Tono. To Jaime. Jumper. No good. Tono. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Soliano to Puerto. Nabitawan. Malan to Perez. Marcarse. JN Magarce. Jumper, no good. Barranco to Heroche, no good. JJ Puerto, recovered by Kimray Servano. There's a foul. Inbound by Magarce to Jaime. Troubling violation. Puerto. Same ball.
Idol ako ng number 6 sa city.
Roche, no good. Soliano for 2. 14-4, 10-point lead by CPU. Tono to Jaime, jumper, no good. Rebound by Puerto.
Kevin Barranco, Vanessa, palagay Barranco. Barranco nakalusot.
Barranco, basket, no basket, but there's a foul.
Victor Di Madana.
Basket count. 2 for 2 by Kevin, 16-4.
Palagay KB 21. Servano.
Servano guarded by Ferrer. Magarce. Tono, 3, no good. Malan recovers to Servano. Jumper, wala pa rin. Malan, basket by Elmer Malan Jr. 16-6. Julian Puerto. There's a foul. Puerto. Same ball. Barranco over 3. No good. Rebound, Malan. There's a foul. Magarce to Tono. Nabitawan, nakuha ni Servano, no good. Turnover. Kevin Vanessa. Basket is good by Kevin Vanessa. 18-6. Magarce. Foul again by Maverick. Malan.
4 minutes and 28 seconds na bilis na oras. Elmer. Naidalog.
To Abelia. Double teamed. Abelia. Basket by Abelia. 18-8. 2 minutes 11. Sigua. Ken. Layup is good by Ken. 28. 12-point lead by the Golden Lions. Magarce drives. There's a whistle. Foul. Basket, Magarce. 2 for 2 by JN Magarce. 10-20. Gula to Prodigo. To Sigua. Foul, Posa. Ferrer to Sigua.
Prodigo. Big ball ang itawagay ko sa 1 minute. Wala sa studio. Kevin Vanessa.
Vanessa turnover basket by Kevin Vanessa. 10-22. Paderan. Naagaw ni Sigua. Recovered by Paderan to Nahine. Nahine versus Gula. Foul. Basket by Posa. Second throw by Posa. 2 for 2 by Posa. Gula to Ferrer. Prodigo. Sigua. Jumper by Ken Sigua. 24-12 for CPU. Foul by Joseph. First throw by Nahine, good. Last throw, basket. 2 for 2 by Nahine. 24-14. 37 seconds remaining. Ferrer to Sigua. Ferrer to Sigua, good. 22 seconds remaining. There's a foul. Last throw. 15-24. Madiran still. Na-recover ni Nahine. Posa natumba. Kickball violation. Turnover to CPU. Servano. End of the first quarter. 15-24 in favor of CPU. 9-point lead by CPU.